What are different security mechanisms available in Azure Storage Account?
In Azure Storage Account, we can follow different kind of security mechanisms. The one is like based on your requirement. For example, if you want to give access to the users, then we have RBAC, role-based access control. So here we are providing access to a user according to the role what we are going to give, like a admin or a just reader role or a writer role, whatever the roles. There are different kind of roles we have. So you can assign any of the role. This is called RBAC, and we can provide this access under the IAM, Identity Access Management. There we can add a users. Apart from this, if you want to give access to an application level, like by providing the access keys, connection strings, shared access signatures, these are the three different mechanisms we can provide access to the users. So total 4 type of security mechanisms we have. One is RBAC and access keys, connection strings, and shared access signatures.